Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Today I'm going to show you the OBD2 port and cabin fuse box locations on a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. So first off, the OBD2 port is located over the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance, just down in the footwell, just up next to the bonnet, the fuel cap release. And that's your OBD2 port. Now for the cabin fuse box location, that's a bit more tricky. That's over the left hand side of the vehicle, or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance. Similar location, but it's actually tucked up right there behind the glove box. Now you can actually easily remove the glove box. You just open it, give it a bit of a pull, and that'll come off. And that actually exposes your fuses. I will now put up the fuse diagrams for this car. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.